Hi guys, I'm showing you here that countdown, that live subscriber count, and these are
The subscriber I just gained.
like in the last night and today. I don't know how to express my feelings on that. I don't know. I'm so excited, and I even gave the treat to my brother. He asked me for the treat because I was gaining subscribers. And let's see the countdown.
Let's count together.
Hands on my heart.
Let's see. 598, 599, 600. Come on, guys, come on. We got this. Oh my god. I don't know how to express my feelings. I'm so happy. Alhamdulillah. I don't know. I'm so happy. Thank God. I don't know. I was not sure if I would gain more subscribers, but I don't know. Maybe I thought that I'm not working that hard for my channel. So, oh my god, one. Just one left. Let's see.
So amazing.
I hope I'll gain 1,000 subscribers just today, maybe, or maybe some other day. I'm not that eager. I'm being patient with my channel, and I waited for this for like such a long time. As I'm a medical student, and we medical students are just on such a roller coaster that our lives are just going up and down. Sometimes we are not getting good grades or stuff like that, and we are suffering from like mood swings and stuff, and we also don't have that much time for our friends and family. We often have to like ask them to just go when we have our tests, and on the other days we get our results, and I don't know, may like if we don't get our marks good, we just have to like we think about the next test that we're gonna perform well, and these kind of thoughts just run in our minds all the time. And I don't know how to say that. I'm so glad that even with all of that, I did some work hard, like some work hard. I'm gonna do more work hard, as I can see that growth that I saw it that I can grow too. So I'm gonna do more work hard from now on, inshallah. And I really hope so I'll make good and aesthetic vlogs from now on. And of course I'm gonna improve the quality of my life. So stay tuned, guys, and let's see if the subscriber. Come on, guys, do it. Come on, YouTube. Come on, come on. Let's wait. You know what happened when I was.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god.
I don't know what to say right now. Like, this is such a big achievement for me today. I just didn't know that it will happen, and it will give me so much pleasure. That's so exciting. That's so exciting. I now get why YouTubers work so hard for their channels. That level of excitement and achievement, that level of satisfaction that I'm getting from gaining subscribers, because we work on our channels and we expect the return, but I wasn't getting the same views or the subscribers when I put in the work. But I was so patient. I just said to myself that even I'm getting just one view, that's a lot for me. I just make myself satisfied with it, and I stood patient and I worked hard for the channel. Sometimes I was so like hypercastinated because I was not gaining any subscriber or views. But then in April I gained like 300 subscribers, and now I just gained 600 subscribers. I don't know, I'm so excited, and I'm so thankful to you, all of you guys. I'm so thankful. That's all because of you, and
I'm so thankful. Thank you so much. Keep supporting me, guys.
I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next vlog. And of course, I know you're gonna make them.
thousands soon.
So let's see. Thank you so much.